Welcome to our channel. Today we'll be discussing how to make your own DIY face serums using natural ingredients for glowing skin. First, let's start with dry skin. If you have dry skin, you'll need a serum that's moisturizing and nourishing. We recommend using coconut oil, honey, and aloe vera gel. To make the serum, simply mix 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of honey, and 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel together in a bowl. Coconut oil acts as a natural sunscreen and reduces pigmentation, while honey provides rich moisture to your skin and helps remove fine lines. Aloe vera gel is a natural moisturizer that is soothing to the skin and reduces inflammation. Apply 3 to 4 drops of the serum to your face and neck in the morning and evening after cleansing your skin. Next, if you have oily skin, you'll need a serum that's lightweight and non-greasy. We recommend using tomato juice and honey. To make the serum, simply mix 1 teaspoon of tomato juice and 1 teaspoon of honey together in a bowl. Tomato juice brightens up oily skin and has an astringent effect that cleanses and shrinks pores. Honey reduces excess sebum production and helps reduce redness and breakouts of acne and pimples. Apply 3 to 4 drops of the serum to your face and neck in the morning and evening after cleansing your skin. Finally, if you have sensitive skin, you'll need a serum that's gentle and calming. We recommend using sugar and raw milk. To make the serum, simply dissolve 1 teaspoon of sugar in 3 teaspoons of raw milk. Sugar helps rejuvenate your skin by cleaning all the dirt from your skin pores, while raw milk gently nourishes and hydrates your skin. Apply 3 to 4 drops of the serum to your face and neck in the morning and evening after cleansing your skin. In addition to using these natural face serums, it's important to maintain a balanced diet rich in vitamins and antioxidants. Drinking plenty of water, getting fresh air, and exercising regularly are also important for healthy skin. And don't forget, having a positive attitude can make all the difference. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more natural beauty tips and tricks.